Jets, time, ready, fight!
Sıйmık in the blue corner and Shala in the red.
Southpaw versus Southpaw.
Immediately we see that pressure of Shala. This is how we always see him fight, putting the pressure, making it uncomfortable for his opponents, walking them down. This is one of the slowest starts we've seen from Sıйmık.
Though these two have never fought before, they share an opponent in Akhmatov. Both lost to Akhmatov, but we felt that Shala actually should have won.
And Akhmatov finished Sıйmık with a body kick.
Yes, so if that's the indication of what should come tonight, we do believe that Shala should have the advantage in this fight, but both dangerous fighters that can end the night for either one at any moment. Both fighters swapping blows there.
Shala doing good there, doubling up with the jab, coming with the overhead, but Sıйmık immediately throwing back with some power. Nice calf kick from Shala. Both these guys mixing up.
Biz ар башкабыз, бирок бизди бириктирип турган үй бүлөбүз. Үй бүлө бул жүрөктөрдү бириктирип турган эң ишенимдүү түйүн. О мобилдик операторунун үй бүлө премиум тарифы. Бул болгону 1990 сомго чексиз байланыш менен 3 сим карта, секундасына 500 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдыктагы үйдөгү интернет жана телевидение. Бүтүндө үй бүлөңүздүн мобилдик байланышы менен үйдөгү интернетти бир айда бир эле жолу төлөңүз. Үй бүлө ар дайым биринчи орунда.
Light punches with some heavy blows.
Shala on the attack there.
Shala getting in the pocket, nice swing. Now jabs the body. He might consider working the body of Sıйmık.
Heavy kick there from Sıйmık.
But Sıйmık. Oh, another stiff jab, and it's right on the liver area because it's the southpaw. Jabs him right on the liver area.
Shala again with a heavy left hand.
And it's all pressure from Shala, but there
beautiful shot from outside trip, gets the job done for Sıйmık. Fighting to keep Shala down on the ground. Shala making it a challenge for Sıйmık here.
Shala looking for the switch there. Pushes the head down of Sıйmık now.
Shala controlling well around the knees of, Sıйmık controlling well around Shala's knees.
But he's not doing any damage. He's got to try to improve position here. Now we see Shala work that cross face. Sıйmık not giving up on this takedown, digs in for the other leg. And Shala's back on his feet. Short little elbow to try and exit. Shala goes to the 50-50 body lock. The referee does warn Sıйmık not to grab the cage wall.
Beautiful knee there from Shala.
Digs for another underhook, and he's going to use that to exit. Another small elbow on the exit. He's doing really good, is Shala.
Beautiful head movement from Shala. A few months ago, of course, having his nose broken by Zilwong.
Back on the pressure. Now he's the one engaging the wrestling against Sıйmık.
I'm not sure I agree with that decision. I'd like to see Shala disengage and start firing punches.
I think he wants to be in the pocket here and do this dirty boxing.
Sıйmık looking for a throw, a trip. Shala putting his great balance into work. Ooh, that looked like a low blow, and it was.
Right through the middle.
The referee does not see it, and lets the action continue. I saw it.
Yeah, I think everybody saw it.
Beautiful elbow there from Aping Shala. Invest in a good cup, fighters.
Exchange elbows. Another elbow from Aping Shala. He's been finding home with that right elbow. Now he sees the knee. That knee seemed high in my opinion. It looked like it was more midsection, but maybe Sыймык was still
Well,
feeling...
he gets the well-deserved rest. Might referee Wong Fei warning Aping Shala he'll have a point deducted if he does it again. Hard kick there from Sıйmık. Hard punches there from Aping Shala, grinding against the cage wall.
Ready, fight!
They touch gloves. Vaughn, you always cheer for the southpaw.
I'm sure Southpaw will win this one.
Another low blow.
Cup adjustment.
No, he kicked him. And then
Sıymık's low kick checked by Aping Shala. Both fighters exchanging straight punches. This is a very even matchup so far.
very.
I think though Aping Shala would have taken that first
Oh,
round.
big right hand, sorry, left hand. The big cross right on the chin of Sıymık. Look at Sıymık really wanting the wrestling, but Aping Shala getting double underhooks here. Strong control there. Short little elbow. You might be looking for the shoulder strike. There it is. Again. How long before he goes for a knee? Oh, just misses the elbow on the exit. Sıymık going for a big head kick and another one. Nice body kick. A beautiful trip. Beautiful trip by
Sıymık scoring here in the second round, passing the guard here. Aping Shala trying to get back to his hands, his elbows and knees. Sıymık with a tight side control, scarf hold here. Aping Shala gives the back. Sıymık's got the neck.
Oh no!
That's tight, that's tight.
That's deep. We'll see.
Oh! He taps Sıymık, taps Aping Shala.
接下来宣布比赛结果。本场男子 MMA 综合格斗规则与量级比赛的最终结果为：来自中国的蓝方选手野豹Sıymık托和达宏，第二回合1分44秒，使用背后裸脚降服获胜。